Hey guys, this is Natasha. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. Today it is episode 2 of trying it in quarantine. I know it's been a little while. Guess what? I'm still in school and I'm currently on my finals week. But today we're gonna try out a spa day. That is why we're looking like this. But at the end we're gonna look rejuvenated, refreshed, and beautiful. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I actually have a list of things that I want to do for my spa day. First off, we're going to start with a hair mask because look, sis is looking dry, dehydrated, and without love. My hair is looking not cute at all. But my hair is so dry, it needs all the moisture it can get. So I'm gonna take my hair out, I'm gonna put this in, and we're gonna leave it soak in there, and then we're gonna do our other stuff. You know when people say, you know, it looks so cute when girls just take their hair out of a bun and it just like floats. Does that look cute to you? Oh, if I did this, I kind of look like the Queen of Hearts. Oh, look at that. Ooh, okay. I just want it, ooh, that's cold. I just want it to like sit there for a hot minute. I have never looked better. There you go. Now, we wait. Okay, so we are done. I took the hair mask out of my hair and we're currently in my bathrobe. Did I specifically buy this bathrobe for this video? Yes, I did. Was it the best choice that I've made since I've been in quarantine? Yes, it has. It's the most comfortable thing ever. I will link it down below. It makes this whole spa day experience like next level. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. I always use for my hair, I switch from like a lot of things, but my go-to ride or die forever, if you've seen this on my Instagram, you've seen this on my YouTube many times, is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This is literally, I have nothing to say. It's like so good. Love it, love it, love it. Put this on my curly hair, makes my curls look so good. So if you have curly hair and you have my hair, like my hair type, try this out. Even if you don't, this is fantastic. It's so good. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Okay, my hair is detangled, and I bought this also for this video, but you know, I'm tired of getting my hair in my face when I do anything face related. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and then you just like push it back. Oh, look at her in her full spa gear. You really need to try this at home. I think this was like $8 and this was like $20. Amazon's got your back. Look at me. You could be doing this. We could be doing this together. You should order this and then you should watch this video again. And then we're doing this together. Okay, now that we are fully prepared, we're gonna do our face routine ritual. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by cleansing my face with this cleansing brush. I love this brush. If you've seen my videos before, I've talked about this brush. I think it was like $10 at Walmart. Literally the best thing. I don't use it as often now because I went to my dermatologist and she said not to use it every day. So I use it once a week. I haven't used it this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this with a gentle face wash. And then I think I'm gonna steam my face. I'm gonna get a bowl with hot water to steam it and then do a face mask. So let me get the bowl first so that like it cools down, and then we'll come back and do the whole thing. Okay, I am back with my bowl of water, but first we're gonna go ahead and wash our faces now that our hair is out of the way. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time. This is fun. I just have to remember that after I'm done this whole thing, I have to go and study for my finals because it's finals week. So I'm doing this during finals week, not to procrastinate, just a little bit, but to relax. So my stress levels are off the roof. My heart is beating back. Okay, face is nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. Always wash your hands before you touch your face, because how are you supposed to get a clean face with dirty hands? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face. See how long I could last in here. So I'm gonna put on a face mask now so we can keep relaxing face mask that I'm using today. Let me go get it. Okay, so the face mask that I'm using today, I actually got this one time that I went to a spa. It was like bougie and whatever. Like, it's the Eminence Organic Skincare Clean Skin Probiotic Mask. And it comes with like a little applicator, little applicator thing, little scoopy scoop. So I'm gonna put this on my face, and then we are supposed to let it sit and dry for 5 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this. Excuse my nails, it's quarantine, I know. Nail salons are closed. You guys do know I do my own nails, but I left all my nail stuff, like all my nail file, my nail drill, and like my lamp all in Hawaii. I'm gonna do this for another video. We're gonna do our nails together. And for those who are like clean freaks and all, they're like, you use that to scoop it and then you put it on your face. Don't you worry, girl, I wash it after, I disinfect it so then I can use it again. Hey Siri, can you put a 10-minute timer, please?
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Thank you, Siri. Meanwhile, this is drying. We're gonna go relax a little bit more, and I'm gonna get myself some ice water, because that seems like a spa thing to do. So I'll be right back with my ice water. I got my water and my extra. Yes. Did I buy this for this video? Yes. Will you meet another extra friend like me? Maybe, but you could be my friend. Actually, talking about friends. If you guys didn't know, lived in Canada, went to Hawaii for school, I still go there for school, but because of the Rona, I had to leave. And while I was in school, my family moved out to California. So I am in California right now. I do not know anybody. So if you want to be my friend after this Rona is over, I'm gonna have from whenever we get out until September till I go back to school, and I don't know anyone here. So if you want to be my friend, hit me up on Instagram. Don't be shy, sis. Like, I don't know anyone, so please. That's my friend announcement. What I can offer. Awesome loyal friendship. I love going to the club. If you know any hot clubs in LA that are 18 plus. In Canada, I'm legal because I'm 19, but here, US is 21. So if you know any 18 plus clubs we can go to, we will shake the booty till the booty can shake no more. I love clubbing, love going to dancing, love having fun, love going to parties. If you know any of that, if you qualify for any of that type of lifestyle, hit me up. I will be your wing woman. I will be there. I will pop it, lop it, lock it, drop it, all of it. Love going out to eat. Love it. If you like doing that, if you like taking pictures, love it. Let's hang out. Let me know. Hit me up. Right now, I'm going to follow up with the Facial Radiance Pad by First Aid Beauty. I'm gonna put this on.
Hold on to my embrace. This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took.
I always put this on because you gotta be protected from the sun. I don't care how dark you are, how light you are. No one is exempt from the damages of the sun. So I use a super glue play. I've been using this for about, I want to say like 4 months. No, 4 months. 3 months now. Love it. And I have not run out yet. So even though Rona is making us stay inside, it doesn't stop me from using this just because like it's part of my routine and I love it anyways. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my face. Don't forget your neck. Your neck needs love too. First sign of aging, because people don't moisturize their neck and it gets all wrinkly and then people think you're old. And the very last step, the finishing touch. First water break, one more time. I'm gonna finish up with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Don't open your mouth while you're doing that. And then we are done. Look at my skin. Look at her. She's glowing or whatever. So that is the end of our day spa episode for today. I hope you did it at home too and you had fun relaxing with me, talking a little bit, seeing how I'm doing. I have to go tackle homework and one more assignment, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but I just feel so cute and refreshed and relaxed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on any video you guys want to see next, and if there's something in particular that you want me to try in quarantine, let me know and then I'll go ahead and give it a shot. And I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. Don't forget, if you want to be my friend, text me on Instagram. Love to hang out or like virtually hang out. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Woo.